In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Splitwise balance sheet. We'll walk through this together step by step so that by the end, you'll have a spreadsheet of your expenses that you can save, share, or analyze however you like. First, open Splitwise in your web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Splitwise dashboard, navigate to the group or set of expenses that you want to download. This might be a trip with friends, a shared apartment, or any other group you've created. Make sure the group you're interested in is selected so you're seeing the list of expenses for that specific group. Now that you're in the right group, choose any expense from the list. It doesn't matter which one you click. The important thing is that you're inside the group's expense view. When you click on an expense, Splitwise will open a detailed view on the right side of the screen, or in a pop-up, depending on your layout. This confirms that you're looking at the group where you want to export the balance sheet. Next, look for the gear icon or settings option associated with this group. On the desktop version of Splitwise, this is usually found near the top of the group page, often close to the group name or in the upper right area. The icon typically looks like a small gear or cog. Click on this gear icon to open the group settings menu. In this settings menu, you'll see several options related to your group, such as editing the group name, managing members, or changing preferences. What we're interested in is the option to export your data. Look for the option labeled Export as Spreadsheet. This is the feature that lets you download your balance sheet in a file format like CSV, which can be opened in Excel, Google Sheets, or other spreadsheet programs. Click on Export as Spreadsheet. After you click, Splitwise will generate the file for you. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you might be asked where you want to save it. Once the download is complete, you can open it with your preferred spreadsheet program and review all your expenses, payments, and balances in detail. And that's all you need to do to download your Splitwise balance sheet.